Stick around till the end for one of the biggest bonehead moves I've seen recently. So now the Postal Service is violating no parking zones in Atlanta. When traffic starts to slow down, look out for those cut-throughs. I think your car is damaged because of your lousy driving.
Whoa, Nelly!
The inside lane is left turn only, so at least this driver got back in the right lane. That U-turn can't be legal. Nice blinker. We need to have a seminar about the right-of-way, and these two knuckleheads need to be front and center. And speaking of knuckleheads, now it's time for everyone's favorite game show, Count the Number of Red Light Traffic Runners.
That was just ridiculous.
Can you say dual turn failed? I thought you could. About a minute later, the same driver decided he needed to wash his windshield. Thanks a lot. And finally, watch the white van to my left. That is truly worthy of a Bonehead Award. Where's a cop when you need one?